I am Randall Scott Harden, and we had a fun workshop today. We went step by step, and it was fun. Everybody had fun, and they were all so different at the end.
So I really appreciated his instruction and his example. It was just really fun to mix the colors and see the things that he did and integrating all the colors.
I was trying to get a lot of palette knife experience. Learned more than that from this workshop. I actually allowed him to paint on my painting, and I think I learned more from his techniques watching him do that.
The workshops that I hold most of the time are held in Carmel, and then I have a few workshops in Noblesville in my studio, but most of the time they will be in Carmel. If you're looking for any information on my classes or workshops, just go to my website, randallscottharden.com, and then you can find my schedule. I'll post all the classes and workshops, and then you'll know exactly where to go.